I'll try and do a quick update on the blog, maybe, or something. Yeah.
Do you want to just explain for the wider audience what exactly were the issues about the decision that was just made? So who is this person, the DPP and the Attorney General?
Well,
who are they, and how did this influence what happened?
Well, the Director of Public Prosecutions has to give consent to the prosecution.
Why is that?
It's laid down in statute, in law.
Because charges are related to foreign issues, or?
No, they have to do it because it's stipulated in the Terrorism Act.
Right.
But it also stipulates that where a foreign state is involved, the Attorney General or the Solicitor General must also give permission for the prosecution to go ahead. Section, I think, 117A of the Terrorism Act. Our argument was that Sarah Sackman, being a vehement Zionist who says the centre of her life is in Israel, that she might have a slight bias in terms of the prosecution, especially since the Jewish Labour movement pushed for my expulsion from the Labour Party, and she attacked me in an article in the Jewish News by name. However, the judge believes that she can put all of those things to the side when she acts in the quasi-judicial process. So this is one of the fictions of the British legal system when they want to. It operates on fictions, namely that it's neutral, has no class bias. The prosecution was purely on legal grounds, and the fact that no one who's a Zionist has ever been prosecuted for supporting the genocide is completely irrelevant. So, I mean, once you maintain all of these fictions, then you can go ahead and prosecute Palestine solidarity activists. I mean, this is the basis of the legal system that we have, of course, because they deny genocide, and as long as they deny the genocide and support the Israeli state to the extent that they do, then anything is possible. So, I mean, that is what we're up against, and what I have to do and my defence team have to do is to get across to the jury, really, that October the 7th did not happen out of the blue. It wasn't something that started on October the 7th. It was the product of 57 years of occupation. Yeah. And that when I'm accused of supporting Hamas or inviting support because I support the Palestinian resistance, I have to say the two are not the same. I support the principle of resistance, not the politics of the individual components of that resistance. And that is an important argument. And the idea that if you support resistance, therefore you support a particular group, is really a non sequitur, to be quite honest. But that will be what their arguments are. They want to channel it into support for Hamas. Of course, Hamas isn't a terrorist group any more than any other resistance group or national liberation movement is. But according to the Terrorism Act, any act of resistance against colonialism is automatically terrorism now.
So when would the jury appear?
Your guess is as good as mine, I'm afraid. I can't give you any further clue on that.
Okay.
I simply don't know.
Okay, so do you know what the process will be now?
I don't. After 2 o'clock, the judge will meet and issue her ruling. Okay. The odds are that it will be adjourned, but I can't say further than that. Okay. No, the jury's been sent home for the day, the panel, so there won't be any jury in panel today, regardless. So I think the trial will be delayed, but I can't say for certain. Yeah, I can't second guess what they will do. So thank you all for coming again. I don't know whether you want to wait around, 'cause it is cold.
It is freezing.
I don't want you to freeze. Okay? Great. Hi, Greg. Yeah.
Okay, the likelihood is that the case today will be adjourned because there's other processes related to it that come a bit later. But in any case, I can't be here for later on, so that's it for today for me.
She wants to hurry the trial on if you can, but